the chalice and the blade above, the chalice below, the up and out, the down and in, the as without, so within. And we get the 4 directions and the medicine wheel when we find our way to the center of the Vesika. For the circle, it's easy because we started from source, but in this form, we have to find the middle way by connecting lines and drawing a new circle which gives rise to the earth glyph, to the 4 directions, to the medicine wheel, and the shape of the human eye. Why? Because only here on earth can we see with our eye that sun and moon are the same size. And we know they aren't. But this is a place where symbolically spirit and soul are the same size. So we are all reflections of all that has adapted itself, that has reflected itself into you and you and you and you and you. Sun and moon, these sacred eclipses, this sacred union. And the dragons bring the eclipses to us, this serpent snaking of the nodes. Moving from below to above, peeking at the back, coming back down at the tail and the belly, the southern bending before it makes its way to the head again. The Pisces new moon, the dragon's tail. The Leo new moon of this year, the dragon's head. Solar eclipses. And this Gemini new moon at the dragon's belly. Not an eclipse at all. In fact, the furthest thing from it. But I'm very interested in these. You see, the eclipses, in a way, are like a super new moon. They're like a new moon for 6 months. We only have a couple of them a year. So we get together every month, many of us, and plant our seeds of intention for that month. The eclipses carry for 6 years. 6 months. But I'm feeling that, personally, they start 3 months before and end 3 months after. They're energetic. That, in a sense, it's at these bending times that we pass the energy or the baton from the previous eclipse to the next one. So in May, my feeling is that this energy, really that's been around for the Pisces solar eclipse in February, really that it's been around since November, when there was a new moon at the northern bending in Sagittarius. And then it really opens up at the eclipse and starts softening, and then the baton is passed. And in May, we'll start gearing up for this big Neil Diamond concert, the Coming to America solar eclipse. First total solar eclipse here since 1979. And I could talk about that all day, which probably won't surprise you at this point. So, this bull eating cheese, how the hell is the bull Gemini? That is a question I asked Jupiter from the jungles of Peru on December 15th, 2012, and that's when I started becoming as weird as I am now. Because I heard him speak back. So to find out why the bull is Gemini, we're going to have to meet another dragon.